Here's a 2012 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Forged from capability, bathed in luxury, this Grand Cherokee elevates your adventures. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. Automatic transmission, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, integrated navigation system with voice activation, Park View Park Assist, dual zone climate control, memory exterior door mirror settings, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, first and second row express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, memory audio settings, and V6 engine. The truth about cars proclaims it's staggeringly competent off-road, but it's also an absurdly composed, quiet, and comfortable freeway cruiser. Journey anywhere in a Jeep. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Come join our family today. We're conveniently located at 201 Northeast 7th Street in Grants Pass, Oregon, just a half hour from Medford.